Hi, this is Jenny McCord from the Virginia Department of Transportation. Just wanted to give you a quick update on roads in Fairfax County. We have about 30 roads that are secondary roads that are closed throughout the county. We actually have 3 bridges that are completely washed out. Those are at Beach Mill Road, Tolston Road, and Lorton Road. Beach Mill Road and Tolston Road are expected to be closed possibly up to a month, and Lorton Road possibly closed up to 2 months. But we're hoping to have some temporary bridges in place very quickly so that we can begin the permanent repairs on those roads. Throughout the weekend, this weekend, we'll be doing damage assessments throughout 200 bridges in Fairfax County. All of our bridges that are over water in Fairfax County will be assessed, and we will be looking at doing permanent repairs on any damages that we find there. In the meantime, we encourage residents to visit www.511virginia.org for a complete listing of all the road closures in Fairfax County.